are making salad for tonight. So, those are the available ingredients we have over here. I-wash lang natin kasi alam na natin sa supermarket, ini-spray nila ng mga something. Spraying the vegetables para maging fresh palagi tingnan doon. So, we have to wash every time or before we eat it. So, I'm gonna chop this off. Mga ingredients na gagamitin ko sa salad. Got here lettuce, mango, broccoli, red pepper, and carrots. Most of the time, gumagamit ako ng singkamas. Masarap din yon, pero ang available lang dito sa aming bahay ngayon is mangga. So, yun ang gagamitin ko sa salad. Hi guys! Yun ang aming weather ngayon. Oh my God! Yan, kumikidlat. Or nagla-lightning pala. So, ulan ng ulan. I just want to share with you guys. I hope your weather is good. Pero here, yun, thunder at nagla-lightning. Pasok na tayo. Natakot ang aming pusa. Pooh Bear, are you scared? Okay. Ito na ang aking salad for tonight. So, siya, madali ang mix lang. As you can see, I only use a little of this and 4 na dahon nito. In half, I guess only 1/4. Yung sa harap lang nito, 1 slice of that mango. And 2 orange ang ginamit ko. Gagamitin ko yung itlog mamaya sa topping. So, ito na ang ating mixed. As I've said, no? If you have singkamas, the better. Mas masarap. Can you hear the thunder? So, yun ang aking mix. And, ang leftover nito, pwedeng baon sa work or kung hindi siya, para hindi siya pag leftover, just, drop as, juice ng lime or lemon para maging fresh siya. So, yun. So, I'm gonna put egg later. So, optional ang egg, guys. If you like boiled eggs, pwede. If not, pwedeng wala. So, yun ang ating dinner for tonight. Scared. It's raining. You wanna go out? Come on. Go for it, Pooh Bear. Natatakot siya, guys. Kasi nga kumikidlat. Kumikidlat po. Oh, what? Anyway, yun ang aming Maulan. Look at, this is Prada, guys. Say hi. Her name is Prada. And she got food here. Pero, she wants me to open this. Diba? Very sassy na iring. Okay, lagay natin sila dito. I-open natin to. If she hear this crack, yun, ang paborito ng aming iring. And this cat doesn't like big chunk of food. Juice lang ang, dito, day. Diha, kakaon, day. Yon. Say hi to them, Prada. Gided man nga pagkaon. Ganahan siya atong juice. Yun lang para. Bye, Prada. Bye, guys. Dead ma.